fucking fight.
That was a dope one, G. Fight.
Yeah.
I got pump. Actual pump.
What? Oh, gee, that's fucking. Check it out, boys. We don't play around here.
I'm back. Get it up. Just one umbrella forever, baby. And if you broke when you wake up, you ain't got no business sleeping, nigga. Short comp on my clip talk. With a point like a pitchfork. Only that nigga coming in this shit hard. They gon' man get that thing for your bitch, dog. Every nigga round ready for the quick draw. Bullets open like a split door. 100 women looking for me with a flashlight. All they niggas looking for me with a jigsaw. Wait, hold up, I told ya I blame her like Tony Montana. I roll with that hammer like Popo and Slammers. I'm fucking your sister Manolo. My manners, my niggas is thuggin'. They don't go on camera. I fought with that polo. Don't wear assassin, I come with that 4 for you know I've been mentioned. Y'all over there with that yelling toe down on umbrella. We coming, you know that it's section. Shorty, no question, she know that she have it. Kick the ass out cause I know that she lack it. Then she came back and she gave me a stack. Put the brain in my lap, how'd I know you was psychic? Shout out them bitches that hated on Jake, is my nigga, he paid and I know that you're spiteful. Feel like my life is a picture on Insta, cause women, they see me, I know they gon' like me. 10 on that Hannah Montana, then I get 10 on my man in Atlanta. Then I spend 10 on that Fendi and 10 on my belt just to shine on the 10 when I slam her. I'm a young, rich nigga, I was born out of T. This that, I don't give a try that foreign whip on E. I'm that nigga with a foreign bitch on me. SODs on my left, yes, free my nigga P. Listen up, I'm Michael Jordan, the mic recording. I made the host muffle up like the mic that started fight with artists. Really, I don't like these artists. Every motherfucking line that you write is garbage. Every motherfucking time that I might just start, I Ike your park, cause y'all niggas teeny to me. Hit a nigga with a battle that's a genie to me. Easy for me to get a little piece of the P.I.E. Fuck niggas wanna D.I.E. Put that dot on your top like E.Y.E. I ain't had to spell it to tell it, you niggas jealous. 100 women with me, they twisting up like propellers. Niggas hating on me, my pockets on mozzarella. Hopping out the dock, I tested positive for getting cheddar. Listen up, I switch it up. If she with me, then she getting fucked. In the truck with the windows up, getting bucked. Fuck niggas trying to hit us up, lit them up. Before a nigga even gotta put a finger up. Before a nigga even gotta hit my diggers up. Yo, listen up, son, the jig is up. Fargo be knowing that shit. Marble the flow in the crib. Got a car full of hoes and remarkable flows that make me all the dough in this bitch. I just hit my nigga fresh dog, and we token the O in the crib with the money on the desk though. And you know that I'm holding my dick. Shabba 8 gold chains like I'm Shabba ranks. Women, they don't know my name. Call me Biggie, Papa Bank. She see me in that thang.